Hello, Ray is here. I'm the founder of Coding Butterfly, an exciting technology program where we teach kids to code, design, and create. We're here to talk about what you can do when you have a child in upper elementary or middle school and want your child to start learning the foundations of technology. I can tell you from experience that even for most tech-savvy parents, the choices for how to get your child into the right program are overwhelming. One of the problems you're most likely facing is how to determine which path of study will most benefit your child. With literally hundreds of platforms, programs, books, and classes out there to choose from, it can be a tiresome task to figure out where your child belongs.
At Coding Butterfly, we make the choice easy, helping you pick which classes are best suited to your child.
Is your child interested in creating applications that will turn your gamer into a programmer who can publish their own games? Is your child interested in dissecting puzzles and learning how to solve problems using code? Or is your child someone who likes to see what makes things tick?
Whatever your child's interests, we have a program for it. And if you're not sure which is the best option, then press the yellow button on the home page and schedule a 15-minute phone call with Ray.
We'll go over what material is appropriate for your child, and I'll help you select the right class to keep your child engaged and eager to learn.
This fall, we have a great lineup of classes to choose from.
If your child is interested in modeling, 3D modeling, not fashion modeling, we have a class that focuses on creating 3D designs.
For beginners course, we use Tinkercad. This is a fantastic, user-friendly online 3D design application. If you would like to see a preview of what kids will learn, you can click the red button on the home page to take our free 3D class on Teachable.com.
If 3D is not the right class, then how about a game development class with Roblox?
Roblox is an awe-inspiring platform that's grown by leaps and bounds over the past few years because it allows game designers to build almost anything that they can imagine. We'll also teach kids how to work with a special scripting language called Lua, so kids can create their own special obby course.
If all that sounds a little advanced, we've got something for the kids who are new to coding, Scratch, a quick and easy-to-use program that allows kids to build programs by sliding together ready-made blocks of code.
This is a fun class where we use sound effects, animation, speed control, and even math.
As your child advances beyond the basics and wants to learn the nitty-gritty of coding without games and graphics, we've got a program for that. We'll teach them to code in Python.
Python is one of the most popular and widely used computer languages.
Many of today's most successful organizations, such as Google, NASA, YouTube, use Python to build their programs.
But all coding and no play makes for adult time, so we've got the antidote for that. In this course, kids will be making their very own fish game in which the larger fish must eat the smaller fish in order to grow. Kids will be learning actual Python code, and since they're going to code their games from scratch, kids get to control everything about them.
At Coding Butterfly, we want to actively engage your child in the process of learning these skills that will allow them to create games and apps, solve problems, and do so much more than watching YouTube videos or playing video games. Coding Butterfly is an investment in your child's future.
Because our primary purpose is to educate children, we limit class size to a total of 8 students in order to maintain a strict 4-to-1 ratio.
Go ahead and click the yellow button to set up a free, no-obligation 15-minute phone call with me and start your young coder on a path to learning all about the amazing world of computers.